Well, I think it's even better.
Yeah.
I enjoyed LCU17 a lot. Um, and I think this time the topics are a bit broader. So yeah, I really like it, and yeah, it even got better.
Yeah.
Great. It's a great opportunity to get together with people that think alike and finally get some days not to struggle. As you're back home, it's a bit of a struggle still, a challenge to try to incorporate this in family, daily life, and with friends, and so it's nice to get inspired.
Oh, it was fabulous. It's been great. I thought last year was good, and this year's better.
Yeah.
What I think is amazing is the content of the lectures, how it's amazing how they can be state of the art, and you get really current information. Oh, I really like that, and the variety of the information too from the different presenters. I think it's just so nice compared to what I've seen in a list of speakers for other conferences. And of course, can't beat the view.
It's about the low carb universe. It was an eye opener for me that following all the workshop and the lectures were additional, but also helping me for new things to do, to discover more about this, and to manage more my blood sugar management. And this morning it was all about the diabetes protocol with Ali Alawati, and I was a little bit emotional after his speech because I feel supported, and it's so nice to be supported by doctors and to all the people here who are in the same bubble, in the same mind spirit, and it empowers me a lot. So for me it was great. It was a fantastic experience, and yes, perhaps Low Carb Universe 19. I don't know if there will be one. I think so. So we'll see.
You come.
Yes, I think.
Yeah.
It's perfect. It's a really great place to be. It's almost a little better than last year, I think.
I think it has probably been one of the best conferences I have ever been to. Apart from the lovely setting that we have here, the level of speakers and the quality of the speakers that we've had has been extraordinary. And I think from my perspective, just as a lay person, to actually have access to those speakers, to have private and personal conversations with them, has been extraordinary. So it's been a big hit for me.
I am amazed with the speakers, with the quality of information that's being presented. It's my first time I'm attending, and I'm really, really happy that I've been here for this week.
Yeah.
It's my first time, and I'm overwhelmed by all facts and information, and maybe I have to get a rest between the lectures because it's getting too much. But I think it's really useful.